Hi, my name is Chelsea from SIP Visions, and today I'm going to show you how to filter numeric values in VisionX. As you can see, I already have my customer screen up as an example. So first, I need to add another filter by dragging and dropping the filter element. Then I click on the editing pencil. I want to restrict my filter to the customer's revenue and with the condition greater equals. Next, I'll add my label. I'm going to put yet another filter on my screen. I'll click the pencil again and once more restrict my filter to the customer's revenue. This time, however, I want the condition less equals. This will allow me to search in a range. For example, maybe I want to see all customers with revenue greater than $5,000 but less than $12,000. This will pull up everything that matches both conditions and so will give me a range of the customer's revenue between $5,000 and $12,000. We can also compound our filter search. For example, I want to see all customers who fit the revenue criteria and are also located in Paris. As you can see, this gives me just one result. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching.